2021 coming to an end. We are all excited for the possibilities that 2022 holds for us. 2021 was a complete roller coaster, bringing a lot of joy and sorrow in people's lives. For gamers, this was a good year with a lot of great games being launched. Now, before you get to jotting down your New Year's resolutions, I, Karanveer Singh Arora, will be sharing the list of BGR India's top 5 video games that were released in 2021 for PCs and consoles. Far Cry 6. Ubisoft released its 6th main installment in the Far Cry series, Far Cry 6, back in October, and it has managed to become one of the best open world games in recent times. Far Cry 6 manages to break out from the monotony of the previous installments and takes the fun to the next level. The game manages to easily live up to the Far Cry name with its endless measures of causing mayhem and a hooking storyline. It is a game that gives the players control, allowing them to do whatever they want and whenever they want. Halo Infinite. Halo Infinite was released this month and has arguably become one of the best Halo games to date. It continues the saga of Master Chief and even after 20 years old baggage, manages to provide a fresh take on the story along with the free-to-play online multiplayer. The game is an incredibly well-made shooter which provides players with access to the beautiful open world filled with the unique Breath of the Wild. While the game does have its fair shares of flaws, it manages to overcompensate for them in more ways than one. Halo Infinite is a must-play and has managed to enter our list of the best FPS games of 2021. Forza Horizon 5. Released in November, Forza Horizon 5 has managed to become one of my favorite racing games of all time, with the amazing graphics, races, contests, stunt challenges and more. Forza Horizon 5 features the biggest open world map in the franchise and it provides you with all kinds of terrain to drive on. These terrains include volcanoes, a jungle, a beach, city streets and ancient pyramids. After Australia, Great Britain, now it's time for Mexico. The Forza Horizon series keeps outdoing itself with each iteration. Call of Duty Vanguard. The Call of Duty franchise has always remained close to my heart, and with Vanguard it has managed to come even closer. The franchise's signature gameplay and over-the-top action is just as good as expected with Vanguard. And the multiplayer mode is what you would want and expect from a Call of Duty game. While being nostalgic, the game manages to take the franchise forward in a smooth manner. Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart. Insomniac Games is one of the most popular game studios in the PlayStation community as of now, with its hits like Marvel's Spider-Man, Sunset Overdrive and more. This year, it released the latest game in the Ratchet & Clank franchise called Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart. The game's graphics have been praised a lot and I personally found them to be even better than some of the top chart Pixar movies. The game is pretty fun to play and helps you rift apart from the real world and join the light-hearted, campy Ratchet & Clank universe. It is a solid game for all ages and even fun to watch other people playing. That is an end to our list of the top 5 PC and console games that were released in 2021. If you think we missed out on a contender, do tell us in the comments below. Also, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to BGR India for videos like these, reviews and the latest technology news.